Well, I'm Lisa and this is Ozina, and she came in today. She had a very interesting plumbing situation. She brought in her old supply line and it was kinked, it was leaking, is that right?
Leaking, yes, water everywhere.
So, what she brought in, we did not have. We had to make some adaptations. So, the first thing we did was plan A. We went home and we tried that and we found what?
It didn't work.
It didn't work. So, we went to plan B. But plan A did give us half of what we needed. This is our end result, and we know that this is going to go on the top,
The top.
and this bottom will fit just fine. And so we just wanted you to hear that success story. Just because we don't have the exact thing doesn't mean that we can make it up, right?
Oh, yeah. I've lived in this neighborhood for about 25 years, and I've been coming here. This is my first stop to get help. And you know what? I really do think that the young lady, Rachel, I think she came out one time to help me with stuff. So that's how helpful this establishment has been for me and helping and saving money too.
Oh yeah, that plumber.
Yeah, well, I'm not that bright as Lisa, no, but they helped me get over that, and they asked me the right questions. And so when I say, well, it didn't fit this way, and I can't actually use the right terminology for plumbing, they are able to figure out what I'm trying to convey, and then they just go with it, and then it works. Look, I'm gonna go home with it. I'll have water tonight.